Hello, my name is Scott Needleman. I'm here to talk to you about, can filing bankruptcy save your house? It's a question that I am asked all the time. The answer, of course, depends on your income and the house itself. If your house is worth $70,000 and you owe $60,000, your house will be protected in bankruptcy and be safe from being taken by the bankruptcy trustee, who is the hearing officer in a Chapter 7 case, as there is no equity, at least in the state of Ohio, for them to pursue. Therefore, the house is safe if the payments are current. If the payments fall behind, that is when clients of mine do a Chapter 13 reorganization. What that means is very simply, if your house is worth 70, you owe 60, your payment is $1,000, you're 3 months behind, so you're $3,000 in arrears, I can create a Chapter 13 plan, and it's essentially a restructuring, reorganization, like you hear about Chapter 11 for corporations, but Chapter 13 is a reorganization for an individual. We take the $3,000, potentially divide it by up to 5 years, 60 months, so the creditors are paid, the bank is paid back $50 a month for the 5-year period to cover the $3,000 in arrearage, and you save your house. So can bankruptcy save your house? Absolutely. A different way of looking at this, we have a new house now. This house happens to be worth $120,000, and you owe $70,000. Well, there's $50,000 worth of equity. In the state of Ohio, I can protect approximately $40,000. So then you're saying, well, am I going to lose my house because I can't pay this $10,000? Well, no. Once again, Chapter 13. Chapter 13, reorganization, divide that number, the $10,000, by 60 months, and that is the amount of money that your unsecured creditors, meaning your credit cards and medical bills, let's say they total $10,000, it would be 100% plan, they would all be paid back. If you owed $20,000 in credit cards and medical bills, and your house has $10,000 worth of equity in it, you would still pay back no more than the $10,000, and these unsecured creditors will be paid back 50 cents on the dollar. So as you can see, everything I've done here is divided by up to 5 years. That's the length of a plan. But the point is, yes, bankruptcy can help you save your house. And there's also a part of the Bankruptcy Code which allows us to what's called do lien stripping. Lien stripping. What lien stripping does, you have a first mortgage of $100,000. Your house is valued at $90,000. You have a second mortgage for $40,000. If there is not $1 of equity in your house, and there isn't, because again, your house is valued at 90, you owe 100 on the first mortgage, this second mortgage can be stripped out. Now, this is done through what's called an adversary proceeding, much too complex to get into for right now, but I just want to show you that yes, a second mortgage can be stripped out. So then by stripping that out, the value of your house and the amount that you owe is very close to a wash, or getting closer, so that when, down the road, if hopefully our housing market bounces back, you will be able to sell your house and hopefully make a profit. With this $40,000 if it weren't able to be stripped away, there would be no equity in this house, and there would be negative equity, and you'd never be out of this house. So that's what a bankruptcy can do to help you keep your home. Thank you.